Welcome back to the channel YT Motor House Walla. Today, we've got something truly special, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake 800. This is one beast of a muscle car, and in today's review, we'll break down everything from its jaw-dropping exterior to the insane performance under the hood. Let's get into it. Car details. Narrator You. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake 800 is a limited edition, high-performance version of the classic Shelby Mustang, packing a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine that delivers 800 horsepower, hence the name Super Snake 800. This isn't just a muscle car, it's a road monster designed for those who crave performance, power, and sheer driving excitement. Exterior. Narrator You. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The Shelby Super Snake 800 takes the Mustang's iconic design and elevates it to a whole new level. The aggressive front grille, wide fender flares, and custom hood vents give this car an intimidating stance. The lowered ride height, along with those 20-inch wheels, really give it that perfect muscle car look. And of course, the racing stripes, whether you go for the classic black and silver or the bold red, it screams performance from every angle. Close-up shots of grille, stripes, wheels, and hood vents. Interior. Narrator You. Inside, the interior feels every bit as special as the exterior. You've got premium leather seats with Shelby stitching, a customized dashboard with a unique Shelby gauge cluster, and that signature Shelby steering wheel that just feels right in your hands. The interior is all about comfort, with tech upgrades like an intuitive infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. And while this isn't a luxury sedan, it has that perfect balance between high-performance racing and everyday usability. Show interior shots. Dashboard, leather seats, infotainment screen. Comfort level. Narrator You. Comfort-wise, the Super Snake 800 strikes a solid balance. The seats are supportive enough for spirited driving, yet comfortable enough for longer road trips. However, this is still a muscle car, so don't expect soft suspension. If you're looking for a plush ride, this may not be it. But if you're all about the driving experience, you'll love how it handles on twisty back roads or even highway cruising. Performance. Narrator You. Now, let's get to the most exciting part: performance. The 800 horsepower engine is a monster. With a supercharger feeding all that power to the rear wheels, the Super Snake 800 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.5 seconds. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, but if you prefer to take control, the paddle shifters give you that raw, hands-on driving experience. And the handling, pure precision, thanks to the upgraded suspension and Brembo brakes that can bring this beast to a stop just as quickly as it accelerates. Show shots of the car driving on roads, quick cuts of acceleration, braking, and handling. Conclusion. Narrator You. So, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby Super Snake 800. What's the verdict? If you're after a car that delivers immense power, stunning looks, and heart-pounding performance, this is your dream ride. Sure, it's not the most practical daily driver, but for enthusiasts and collectors alike, this is the ultimate muscle car experience. It's aggressive, it's fast, and it's everything you expect from a Shelby Mustang taken to the next level. Final shot of car parked, logo fading in. Narrator You. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. See you in the next video. Outro music fades out.